What's up, guys? Verity Moto Vlogs, and doing a little something different today. Recording on my phone, so if the audio is trash, my bad. But I ended up getting a 300C, the Hemi, about 6-7 days ago, and it's all dirty. The engine bay is dirty. We're working on it right now, but got the V8 in there. Little Easter egg for you. It's an Autobot. Don't tell nobody though. But yeah, today me and my friend, we're gonna be changing the spark plugs, right?
Yes,
the
sir.
spark plugs out of it, because the ones that we have in there is already rusted as shit. So these are what we're gonna be putting on there. The E3s look like that. Brand new spark plugs, and I need 16 of them for this car, so that's a fucking hell in itself right there.
It's just crazy.
Shit right now. God
Oh,
damn.
burnt.
So that's what it looks like compared to each other. These spark plugs haven't been changed since the car was fucking made. Oh shit.
Original champions.
Yeah. Yeah, these look like they'll fit. I'm shaking like a crackhead right now.
Yeah, they'll fit you.
For sure. Best $120 I spent. I need 16 of them. The engine is still hot and everything because I just drove it. And I do need to add some coolant because coolant's on minimum right now. But I don't feel like going to the store.
Need water.
I thought you couldn't mix them. Coolant and water.
Yeah, put water. I run more water than coolant.
I mean, we don't be living in like some frozen ass city. That's why. Some of that snows.
That's why it's called antifreeze, because we don't live in somewhere that's frozen.
Yeah. Ooh, this still hot too.
You're lucky they're on the top.
Yeah.
Personal record, buddy. Where you going? I'm shaking like a fucking crackhead. You're excited, huh? Yeah. That is cold as shit right now. Ooh, I'm warming up with the engine. That sounds like leaning all the way in the
But yeah, like I said, 5 days ago I got this new car from a guy for 4,800. It used to be 5,200, but since I was a comeback customer, I ended up getting this for a discount. It's kind of beat up, but we can fix that. It is an old car, 2006, 174,000 miles on it. It got some bodies on it, mileage terms, but so it can need some work. It needs some work on it. The little piece right here is all off, coming off. Got the Hemi badge. The rims, I want to change the rims. I don't really like it. But this little side skirt coming off, well, it's already off the car.
NASCAR? You know NASCAR team? Fuck. You think that's toasted. It's crazy that the car is still running with those in it. I'm surprised. Hanging on for dear life. Yeah, that shit is, it's ready to give up. Alright, put the new E3s in it now. Nice E3s. Yeah. Yeah, sexy. Look better than those. It's crazy that I need 16. Like what we doing? Roll the bumper. Yeah, with the screw and the grease, I'm able to use a little drill. Quick action. Three. Four. That would have been first one with the ridges too. Four.
Nice. Damn. Oh, fuck. Shit.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you go?
Piece of Devin. Come here. He wants to be free. Tell you, these are the most difficult ones.
Next to the airbox.
So one side down. Now you got one other side left. Damn, this one was worse than this one is holy fuck. Nah, I gotta blow out. This shit's kicked on. Damn. Ah. We need to get this shit fixed. We need to clean. We need to cleanse. Nah, because we gotta move this most likely. But let's see, maybe we can move with quarters. I'm not hitting that. It's just quarters. Stuck in there. There you go. Sheesh. Sorry, it's gonna be a bitch trying to put it back on now. Nah. What's harder is always taking shit off. It's fine, stuck too. Doing the same thing. Yeah, just play with it for a bit. Shit comes loose. There you go. There you go. That's a good one. That was easier than the other two. Good technique. These little fucking shits in there. These are all like outside the car and everything. Those are hot. Teeth. No, I thought we could put it right here. Switch it. There you go. Done. Now this is the stubborn side. Yep. We did it on the same side. Oh, that one looked easier than this side.
crazy. You could take it out, but.
There goes that.
Fuck it, it can stay right there for right now.
These things are terrible. You got it. Oh yeah, nothing to go. Shit. I mean, I'll keep down here. I knew that one was gonna go.
Nice.
Come look, this one looks different than the other ones. Probably got burnt more.
Looks like it's oil.
Shit.
Yeah. I'll be gaskets. Commonly for gaskets.
When I got the car, this little hole right here was filled with oil and it was leaking everywhere. But not anymore. That's a bit. That is some heavy editing. This is on 40 minutes right now. God damn.
Not bad. 40 minutes for 16?
It's not bad at all.
It's not bad. You'll be like, come back tomorrow.
Probably if I took it to like a dealership, I wouldn't get it till like 3 days later. trying to get me on that extra storage fee.
Your car was staying here overnight. We got charged you.
It's already fixed up and everything. We just wanted like an extra couple dollars.
That's extra.
No, the tires were low. And it was like $100 extra too. Yep. Check even. Careful, careful. At least. Hold on. Come on. It's a stubborn bubble. Right. Nice. And now we just ramp it. Oh. Yep. Quick. Ram. Nice. See you done.
All those dirty ass spark plugs. Surprised it was running.
Add these to the group.
Jeez. I'm very surprised it was running.
These.
Now for the next part. The inside could be touched up a little bit, but got me some of this. If it focuses. There you go. Fuel injection cleaning.
What do I do from there?
I'm curious will be that. Might be early.
nuts on it tight.
It's just old.
Got stuck in there.
Yeah, crunchy. Wow. Yeah, it goes straight to the intake. Unless we could do it from your brake booster. That could work.
Let's put it. Mini screwdriver. Yeah, comes in clutch. Let's see. Get a good priming on this.
It take a little bit. Idling around 2 to 2,500 RPM. Well, I pour that in. Keep the car on 2 to 25 RPM. Yeah. Ah, fuck. That hurt. Turn it on? Turn it on? Got a little rough start. So 2 to 5? 2,500?